Today, we are diving into the delightful world of Duncan Hines Pineapple Upside Down Cake Mix. This mix is a favorite for many bakers, but have you ever wondered how the ingredients affect our health? Specifically, we will discuss the effects of fruit juice on glucose levels. When we think of cake, we often think of sweet and indulgent treats. The Duncan Hines Pineapple Upside Down Cake Mix includes real pineapple juice. Pineapple juice brings that tropical flavor and a natural sweetness. But how does this sweetness affect our bodies? Fruit juice is known to contain natural sugars. These sugars are different from refined sugars found in many processed foods. Natural sugars come with vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for our health. However, they can still impact our blood glucose levels. When you consume fruit juice, your body quickly absorbs these sugars. This can cause a rapid increase in blood glucose levels. For people who are monitoring their sugar intake, it is essential to understand how fruit juice can affect their health. Moderation is key. Enjoying a slice of pineapple upside-down cake is perfectly fine. However, being mindful of portion sizes is crucial. Balancing cake with other healthy foods can help manage glucose levels. The pineapple in this cake mix is not just for flavor, it also provides nutrients. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and manganese. These nutrients contribute to overall health. The natural sugars in pineapple can also provide a quick source of energy. Then baking with Duncan Hines Pineapple Upside Down Cake Mix, you have a wonderful opportunity to create a delicious dessert. You can also consider using fresh pineapple to enhance the flavor even more. Now, what about the glycemic index? The glycemic index measures how quickly foods raise blood glucose levels. Foods with a high glycemic index can lead to spikes in glucose. On the other hand, foods with a low glycemic index tend to have a more gradual effect on blood sugar. Pineapple juice has a moderate glycemic index. This means it can raise blood sugar levels, but not as quickly as some other foods. By choosing to enjoy it in moderation, you can savor the flavor without causing significant spikes in glucose. For those who are health conscious, consider pairing your cake with a source of protein or healthy fat. This can help slow down the absorption of sugars. It adds balance to your dessert and makes it more satisfying. Another factor to consider is the overall diet. A well-rounded diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables can support healthier glucose levels. Treating yourself to a slice of cake occasionally fits into a balanced lifestyle. When baking with Duncan Hines Pineapple Upside Down Cake Mix, remember that enjoyment is part of a healthy diet. Savoring a slice of cake is a delightful way to celebrate special occasions. Just be sure to enjoy it alongside other nutritious foods. If you are concerned about glucose levels, it might be helpful to keep track of how different foods affect you. Everyone's body responds differently to food. Listening to your body can provide insights into what works best for you. In conclusion, Duncan Hines Pineapple Upside Down Cake Mix is a delicious option for dessert lovers. The inclusion of pineapple juice adds flavor and nutrients. While it is essential to consider the effects of fruit juice on glucose levels, enjoying this cake in moderation can be part of a balanced diet. So, the next time you bake a cake, remember to enjoy every bite. It is all about balance and moderation. Treat yourself, but also take care of your health. We appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.